the symbol we use to make a floral formula. Okay, so first of all, we take an example of Leonuris sibiricus. Okay, Leonuris sibiricus. Okay, sibiricus. Okay, Leonuris sibiricus. So this is a flower, and how we can draw a floral structure, okay, or how you can draw a floral formula. Basically, Leonuris sibiricus is a zygomorphic flower. So first of all, we know what is the zygomorphic symbol. So this is the zygomorphic symbol. Next, it is bisexual. Bisexual indicated by this. So this is bisexual. And then we use calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium one by one. Okay, so first what we do, if it is actinomorphic or zygomorphic, this is the first priority, and second priority is this is bisexual or unisexual. Okay, so that's the reason we first do this two things, and then we take calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So here the calyx present 5 and they are united. Okay, means they are fused, means they are gamosepalous. Okay, next we discuss about corolla. Here corolla is also 5 but they are fused. Okay, and the corolla also attached with the androecium, and here the androecium present 4. Okay, here the androecium present 4 and androecium attached with corolla. That's the reason it is indicated by this sign. We already discussed about this, you know, here. So here when so this condition is called epipetalous. Okay, so this condition present in case of Leonuris sibiricus. Okay, so this type of condition present in case of Leonuris sibiricus, and this is the floral formula. So now this is the androecium, and the next part is gynoecium. So gynoecium indicated by G, and here 2 gynoecium is present, means 2 chamber is present in a gynoecium. So that's the reason it is called 2 gynoecium present or 2 carpel present in this gynoecium. But here the gynoecium is look like superior. Okay, so when it is look like superior, the symbol, so the symbol is this. Okay, means G underline. Okay, the line present below the G. Okay, so this is the floral formula of Leonuris sibiricus, and this is arranged by one by one like this. First of all, we take if it is zygomorphic or actinomorphic, then we take if it is bisexual or unisexual, and third we take calyx, fourth we take corolla, fifth we take androecium, and last we take gynoecium. Okay, and now if we take another example of Cucurbita maxima. Cucurbita maxima. Okay, Cucurbita maxima. So Cucurbita maxima always bear unisexual flower, means it bear sometime it may be androecium, sometime it may be gynoecium. Okay, so here 2 types of floral formula always present. Okay, so first of all, if it is male flower, okay, if it is male flower, then the floral formula is, first of all we check it if it is zygomorphic or actinomorphic. So basically this is actinomorphic flower. Okay, so this is actinomorphic and the symbol look like this. Okay, so this is actinomorphic. So we already tell you that this flower is male flower, means this is unisexual. So the sign of male is this. Okay, so this is the sign of male flower. Then we check about their corolla, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. First of all, the corolla 5 and they are united. Okay, and this is calyx, and the same thing happen in case of corolla 5 and they are united. And the third thing is that androecium is always 5 and they are united. So here we don't write down the gynoecium because this is male flower. Here no gynoecium or no female structure present. Okay, so now next we discuss about female flower. So it is already we discussed, it is zygomorphic. Okay, sorry, this is actinomorphic symbol, very sorry. So this is actinomorphic and it is unisexual. Here this is the male flower for this it is male sign, and here this is female flower, so this is indicate female sign. Okay, next we discuss about calyx. Calyx already 5, present in both male and female flower. Corolla 5, present in all flower. Okay, and next thing is that gynoecium. Gynoecium basically 3. Okay, gynoecium basically 3. So basically gynoecium is 3 and the gynoecium is superior. So this is the floral formula about Cucurbita maxima. Okay, so here we know about 2 floral formula. One is Leonura sibiricus and another one is Cucurbita maxima. So I hope this video is useful to you, and if this video is useful to you, then obviously subscribe the channel to get this type of video. Okay, so now for today I want to say you to goodbye, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.